I'm just leaving my dad's house. Actually heading into Arta this morning, which is the major town, about 25 kilometres away from where I am at the moment. Yeah, so hopefully I hope you enjoyed the video of Arta. Just got off the local bus from the Horió down to the major town of Arta. As you can see, I'm at the bus terminal here, and there's a nice little lake down here. I thought I might just check it out and explore. Yeah, we've got the local wildlife here. Hello, hello. Quack, 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 quack. Some on that side as well. We've got a small bridge here just up ahead. There's all these, I assume they're swans, ducks, don't know what they are. No, they're geese. Yes, that's what they are, geese. Okay, this is an old bridge here. Don't think you'll walk on it because it's all closed off. We'll just get a better view. The nice parklands here. Pretty chilly morning here at the moment in Arta. It's probably about 14-15 degrees. Obviously can't go on the bridge. And I've just walked from up the top there where the bus terminal just dropped me off. Here we have a monument to the freedom of Epeiro, which is the region here, in a war in 1897. I'm not sure who they fought in 1897. I'll have to Google it. But it's a monument to their freedom in the area. And there's a couple of statue heads here. That one there that I'm heading to now is a composer, so they've got a monument for him, Michael Peranthis, I think it says, and he died in 1984. He was a composer. This is the main street, I think, or one of the streets. It said town centre. So just quickly showing you what Arta looks like. Pretty early in the morning now, I think it's about 9 o'clock. Looks like it's a one-way street because everyone's parked facing inwards. Yeah, looks like this guy's selling chickens, roast chickens. Looks like they're closed. Probably too early. I'll have to find a chemist. My dad wants a couple of things from the chemist. So going to do a little bit of shopping today, so I didn't actually bring all my camera gear or my my drone. I thought I'll just there's a chemist right there, but no use getting it now. I can get it later. So I'm just walking into the town centre. I'm not sure where I'm going. Pretty early, there's no one else about. Here in Greece, everyone tends to wake up late, sleep in the afternoon, and then oh yeah, I remember this part when I was here in 2017. Yeah, they go to sleep and then they basically sort of stay up pretty late at night. There you go. this looks like a central mall or shopping strip. Obviously it's a little bit early. Got a bit of stuff here, bit of shops left, right and centre. I've been here in 2017 and there was a lot more people in the streets at night. If you can imagine, this place is all lit up at night. It's like a central shopping area. Pretty cool, something different. I'm on Odos Skufa, which means Skufa Street, and there's a big big square here in the centre of Arta. Now I'm not sure if it's the main square, but I'll pan the camera around so you can have a quick look. Straight up ahead above those steps there, Mum and I came here in 2017. We had coffee, but it was at night and there was definitely a lot more people here. Pretty cool, and there's a church there. And there you go. So this is like a big plaza, big square in Arta. People are starting to wake up, and we'll walk up to the flags here, and there's a memorial. I'll go see what it's about. Usually about wartime memorials. Oh, so this is the 1941, it's World War One. Sorry, World War Two, 1941 to 45. So it's obviously the freedom fighters of Greece at the time for World War Two. And there's a typical Greek church. Okay, I'm at another plaza or another square. You can see not many people around because it's still early. Okay, that's the Hotel building, which is the telephone company. Sorry, I'll get out of the sun. We got Cosmotea there, which is one of the telephone companies. It's a nice shaded area here, so people can come here in summer and chill out and relax. And there's like a little square up here where, from memory, it's there's no grass up here. It's all concrete. And there's seats and. Yep, that's right. I remember it was all concrete. There you go. Bit early here in the morning, but they got tables and chairs over there. Big church over there. Again, don't quote me what the church is. Here in Arta, which is in central Greece. I think the school bell's just gone, so kids have got to go back into school. And that's pretty much it. So, in the centre of Arta. Got the local coppers over there. I just called my mum in Melbourne just to touch base, you know, just check up on things, and she asked me as I was walking up to the bridge, is there any water in the river? And as you can see, not a single drop. That's obviously a newer bridge there for traffic. So this bridge is that old that they don't have, they don't allow cars to travel over it. I mean, if you look on the ground, it's really, really bumpy, and you got to watch your step. Obviously, they weren't too good at levelling bridges in the 17th century. But as you can see there, it's pretty dry. Crossing over the other side of the bridge. Little parklands over there, but Okay. So in the 1800s, I think that sign said, you had the highest arch of this bridge, which we're getting to at the moment, was the borderline between Greece and the Ottoman Empire. I think it said 1813 from memory, but so there you go. This is the highest point of the bridge. So this is the border. So that side I assume was Greece and that side was Ottoman Empire or Turkey, or well, it wasn't Turkey back then, it was the Ottoman Empire. In the distance you can see the township of Arta there. Well, it's not in the distance, to me it's only like a couple hundred metres, but it looks like it's far away in the camera. Okay, here on the one of the edges of the bridge looks like a bunker. Now, I'm not sure if that was there for World War II or what it was, or even if it is a bunker, but it just looks like one. There's no entry point, so I'm not sure how they would get in unless it's been filled up. Gotta watch where I'm going here because I'm so used to the traffic going the opposite direction, being from Australia. There you go, the local Greek fire brigade here. Their fire trucks. There you go. A little bit different to the Australian fire trucks. Something different. They got this little four-wheel drive type truck, obviously, because there's a lot of bushland around here, up in the mountains. Which reminds me, the chemist across the road there, I'm going to have to stop at a chemist, get a few things for the old man, and then head back to the KTEL bus station. So it's KTEL, KTEL. And I think this is my turn off here, where I head back up towards the centre of town. Obviously I'm not going to tour every street in Arta, and I'm not too sure what the population is. At a guess, might be 150, 200,000 people here. I could be wrong, but I'll have to Google it, check it out. It's now about 10:30 in the morning, closing until about 11, so as I get into the centre of town there should be a bit more people walking about. Have a look at the name of that beer. Vagina. Ah, there you go. I thought I'd buy it, and there you go, that's in Greek. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to enjoy my vagina beer. Anyway, I'll enjoy that. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and come back for more videos. I plan to get to the islands in a few weeks. I'm getting my Greek ID in about 10 or 12 days, I think. I'm not too sure. And once I get my Greek ID, then I'll probably stick around for another week or two with my dad and then tour the Greek islands.